So, the great law student is home for Thanksgiving dinner. 2.5 months under your belt. What have you learned?
You know, the usual. Not much, really.
What classes are you taking? Because we want to know everything.
Well, there's contracts and torts, crim law.
Torts? Doesn't that mean pies? Why would you be taking a class about pies?
Oh, I think it's just wonderful that they're teaching students about baking pies. Kids these days don't even know how to cook anymore.
Not pies, Ma, torts. Like the time Uncle Louie ran over that kid's foot with the school bus.
Oh, well, that's just wonderful. We are so proud of you, our very own little family lawyer.
All right, so I got a legal question for you. I got the speeding ticket. How do I get out of it?
Well, were you speeding?
Hell no! If I'd have been going that fast, the hooker would have been knocked out on the speed bumps. Damn, woman! I said I was speeding, all right? Maybe 25 over. It would have only been 15 if it wasn't for the school zone. You understand?
Well, I guess you could argue it in front of the judge, but I think you'd probably be best off just paying the ticket.
You say so. It's good legal advice this kid gives.
Oh, hooray for the law school student. We are so proud of you.
All right. I got one for you. So I got busted for loitering. Is that even a crime?
I have a copy of the model penal code upstairs. I could check that.
Right. But so the cops search me when I'm loitering, right? And they find this bag, right? But it's just condiments and shit. It's oregano. That doesn't mean anything, right?
I think that's okay.
Because I got constitutional rights and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. And say for example, that instead of a pound of oregano, it was a pound of weed. Just homopathetically, right?
Hypothetically, how would that one go, buddy?
Yeah.
Well, I'm really not the best person to ask.
And wait, so would it change anything if the person who were selling this pound of weed were doing it, for example, outside of a elementary school? To the kids, recess.
I really shouldn't do this, but I guess I could email my prim professor.
Oh, he'll email the professor. These kids today in their emails.
I got a suit against the drug companies.
You do, Grandpa?
Well, you tell me, smart guy. See, I've been taking the Viagra for 6 months, and I still can't get an erection.
Grandpa, I'm going to pretend I never heard you say that. Somebody, please pass me the sweet potatoes.
This isn't a joke, son. You can have more sweet potatoes when you solve your grandpa's legal problems.
Ma, don't be silly. Say, son, in law school, have you happened to study insider trading? No. Conspiracy to commit corporate fraud? No. Illegal migrant worker statutes? No. Well, if you study those, let me know. I've got an interest.
Okay, wait, sweetheart. I've got one for you, okay? Okay. So recently, I was selling nuclear technology to the Saudis, and I was just wondering if that's criminal or something.
I had an affair with the lawn boy, then killed him and buried him in the backyard.
Goddamn drug companies!
I crashed the Russian economy to feed my cocaine habit.
What
did
we do?
I don't know! I'm just a first-year law student at George Washington University.
George Washington? I thought you said you were at Georgetown.